Kaizen, continuous improvement for manufacturing success. In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, staying ahead of the curve and achieving long-term success requires a commitment to continuous improvement. Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy that means change for better, offers a powerful methodology for achieving incremental and sustainable improvements in all aspects of a manufacturing business. Key principles of Kaizen. Employee involvement. Kaizen encourages participation from all employees, from top management to shop floor workers, fostering a culture of problem-solving and innovation. Small steps. Instead of drastic overhauls, Kaizen emphasizes small, manageable changes that accumulate over time, leading to significant improvements. Data-driven decisions. Kaizen relies on factual data, gathered through measurements, observations, and analysis, to guide improvement initiatives. Standardization. Successful changes are standardized and integrated into operational procedures to ensure sustained progress. Benefits of Kaizen for manufacturing. Increased efficiency. Kaizen eliminates waste and streamlines processes, boosting productivity and reducing costs. Quality improvement. Kaizen focuses on maintaining and enhancing quality, leading to fewer defects, reduced rework, and higher customer satisfaction. Enhanced employee engagement. Kaizen empowers employees, tapping into their collective knowledge and creativity, resulting in a more engaged and motivated workforce. Reduced lead times. Kaizen optimizes processes and resolves bottlenecks, shortening lead times and improving response to customer demands. Cost reduction. Eliminating waste, reducing downtime, and optimizing resource allocation significantly cut operational costs. Customer satisfaction. High-quality products delivered on time lead to happier customers and repeat business. Competitive advantage. Kaizen-driven manufacturers outperform competitors, securing a stronger market position. Sustainability. Kaizen promotes resource efficiency and waste reduction, contributing to more sustainable manufacturing practices. Kaizen rules for continuous improvement. Discard conventional ideas. Think of how to do it, not why it cannot be done. Do not make excuses. Question current practices. Do not seek perfection. Just do it now. Correct mistakes immediately. Spend wisdom, not money, for Kaizen. Wisdom emerges in adversity. Identify the root cause by asking, why? 5 times. Seek wisdom of 10 rather than knowledge of 1. Kaizen ideas are infinite. Embrace Kaizen for manufacturing excellence. Kaizen is a journey, not a destination. By embracing the principles of continuous improvement and empowering employees to identify and implement positive changes, manufacturing businesses can achieve operational excellence, enhance customer satisfaction, and secure their competitive edge in the ever-evolving manufacturing landscape.